Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. It's been a while because mostly we've had very bad weather. I couldn't finish the respray of this with the new nose, so we had a gap in the weather just the other day, so I thought let me take this opportunity and take it for a spin. First time with the four-bladed on, which as we know doesn't do really much besides look fairly cool and drain the battery, but I have it, so I thought let's give it a go. Here we go, Atty. 1, 2, 3. So the tail prop will be a bit noisier because of the four-bladed, but I'm prepared for that. I don't know how long she'll fly on this 2200. Probably not long. I have a LiPo alarm set to 3.6 volts. So I'm expecting maybe five minutes. Maybe even still too fast, actually. Set the tail rate down quite a bit as well. So yeah, there we have it, guys. Well, there we go, guys. The MD500 flies like dream. Happy days.